What we need to know about a triangle is that the sum of all interior angles within a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So they want us to calculate the size of angle PRQ.
Learning, 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 learning with the Passleys. Learning, learning, yeah. Education is the key. Get help to pass your CSEC. A maths and English we have a lock. Pep 2A plus in a dot. Tutoring we offer that. Just check. Learning with the Passleys. With the Passleys.
Welcome back to Learning with the Passleys. Yeah, man, if it's your first time watching this wonderful channel, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Today, we're going to look at June 2021 CSEC Math Past Paper, Paper 2, Question 3A. Yes. The diagram below shows the triangle PQR in which angle QRP equal 62 degrees, angle PQR equal 90 degrees, and PR equal 11 centimeters. So, looking at this triangle, I can see that we have 62 degrees right here, which is angle QPR, and we also have 90 degrees because this is a right angle triangle. So angle PQR is 90 degrees, this angle right here. So what we need to know about a triangle is that the sum of all interior angles within a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So they want us to calculate the size of angle PRQ, right? So we need to find this angle right here. So we know two of the angles, right? We know we have a 62 degrees and we have a 90 degrees, right? So we need to find angle R. So to find PRQ now, we can say PRQ equal 180 degrees because the sum of a triangle, the interior angles equal to 180 degrees, right? So what we're going to do now is to add all the known angles and take it away from 180 degrees. So we can say that 62 plus 90 degrees, right? And we're going to take away from, so we can say 180 minus 152 degrees, and this would give us 28 degrees. So therefore, angle PRQ equal 28 degrees. So we can put in the measurement for the angle that we just found. Angle PRQ is 28 degrees. This is how we find the missing angle for this triangle. So let us solve part 2 of this question. The length of the side RQ. So we're going to calculate the length of the side RQ, which is this part. So we have 62 degrees, right? What I am going to do is to label this triangle, right? So the longest side of this triangle is always the hypotenuse. So I can write hypotenuse right here. So since we have a 62 degrees here and we want to find RQ, I know that the opposite side would be RQ. And if RQ is the opposite side. That means PQ is the adjacent. But I don't need to mention anything about the adjacent at this moment because I just want to find RQ. So I am going to use the trigonometric ratio to use. So I'm going to use these acronyms, so-called TOA, right? Where the first one, so for the first one here, it would be sine theta opposite over hypotenuse, and for the second one, it would be cos theta adjacent over hypotenuse, and for the tan now, it would be tan theta opposite over adjacent, right? So these ratios will help us understand or help us to determine whether we should use sine, cos, or tan, right? So looking at this right angle triangle, I can see that I have a hypotenuse and I have the opposite. I need to find the opposite side. So which one of these ratio would be the most appropriate one to solve this problem? It would be sine theta opposite over hypotenuse because I have the hypotenuse and I have the opposite. So I can say sine theta, which is 62 degrees, and this equal the side that we want to find, which is RQ over the hypotenuse, which is 11 centimeters, right? So we can say sine theta, which is 62 degrees, equal RQ over 11. Since we want to get rid of this 11 here, we can multiply both sides by 11. See that? So this 11 cancel this 11, right? So now we have 11 times sine 62 degrees equal RQ. So you have to ensure that you are using a scientific calculator at this moment. So you're going to put this information in your scientific calculator, which is first you're going to sine 62 and in bracket 62 degrees should be in the bracket, and then you're going to multiply it by 11, and this should give us our answer. So when I put all this information in the calculator, I get 9.71 centimeters. Remember, the unit is very important. So we have 9.71 centimeters. However, this is to two decimal places, right? So I can tell you that RQ equal 9.71 centimeters, right? So this is how we find the length RQ. Yes, very easy. Yeah, man. So this is the end of another interesting and informative lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe if you have not yet done so. Yeah, man. Thank you for watching. Learning with the Passleys. I am out.